Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. Today I'm going to unbox, test and review the Solarbook 4-in-1 multi-USB charger cable. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Now let's have a look at it. As you can see, it's small, making it portable. It feels sturdy and durable as it's made of zinc alloy with an aluminium connector and a nylon cloth. The two sides of the cable have a strong magnetic attachment. This means that you can easily attach it to your keyring as illustrated. Now let's have a look at the different USB connectors. You have USB to micro USB. It also supports USB to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C, and finally USB-C to micro USB. The USB-C to USB-C supports up to 60-watt power delivery fast charger, which can be useful when charging laptops. It can also be used to charge Type-C phones with USB-C power delivery adapters such as 18, 30, 45 and 60 watts. You can also use it for data transfer with speed up to 480 megabits per second. Now let's test it. I will use the USB-C to USB-C connectors to charge my Pixel phone. So I will put one side in my power delivery charger and the other end in my Pixel phone. As you can see, it's charging rapidly. Overall, this is an excellent multi-charger cable. It's very useful when out and about, especially when travelling. It's very strong, very practical, and supports most devices in the market today. There is another version of this cable that supports Lightning port for iPhones and iPads. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.